Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be updating Fortnite right here to Season 8. So let's get started. So all we have to do is basically just try to open Fortnite and it's going to start to download. So let's just tap on it. It's going to give us this. So you can go ahead and start software or download. Do not start software. What you want to do is download it. So we're going to go on and do that. Because if you try to open up Fortnite, it's just going to give you an error. You won't be able to log in, and that's normal. So right now it's just going to start off the downloading process. And that's all we can do. Do not press on start software at any point in time. We can also take a look at download options. In download options, this is where we can cancel our download or if anything happens. So if it gets stuck at any point in time, you could cancel it and just try to re-download it again. The last option that you want to do if you ever get stuck is actually deleting Fortnite and just reinstalling it back again. That's if you really get stuck at any point in time. However, for you guys, you should be okay because Nintendo Switch does downloads pretty fast when it comes down to updates. So right now I'm just going to close this. You don't have to be in this view. I do want to show you something else. So if we press on Fortnite using our plus button, you're going to see these options. And right here we can see software update as well. So it's downloading. We can also see software information. We can manage our software. So for example, if anything bad happens, we could go on and delete software. But for now, again, I'm just going to go back. I'm going to try to click on Fortnite and I should see this screen where it's downloading the update. If I want this to go faster, yes. It's the best thing is to hook up your Nintendo Switch directly to your router using an Ethernet cable. Of course, you would need the adapter for that. That means the stand. And yeah, it should download pretty fast. You should be able to download Season 8. If you don't have more space, then yes, you would need a bigger SD card or to buy a SD card sometimes. But anyways, all we can do right now is just wait. After just a few minutes, we're gonna see this updating software. It's just gonna run again, and this would be a lot faster, so don't worry about it. It's gonna run really, really fast. Alright, so once it's done downloading, we can just press A. It's gonna log into our user. We're gonna launch Fortnite, and we're gonna go into directly Season 8. We should see the connecting screen as always. Again, we're just gonna log in, press A to start.
You should have known we'd return. You thought you saved your little reality. All you did was prepare it for us. So go on and gather what's left of your army. Ready your defenses. And know that when we are done, only nothing will remain.
And that would be it. Now we just have to go back. Let's just close this up. We're gonna go right into news, close this up as well, and here we go, play. Anyways, that would be it for this update. Welcome to Season 8. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.